alam na kagad natin na Liberex yun, Liberex. Ito pa nga nagsabi sa akin eh. Mataba yung may talan. Hindi na po yun eh.
Second place goes to Mr. Gilbert Luis. Third place, Gilbert Luis.
Hello, Mike Test. The winner of Best in Classic Stock goes to Mr. Carlo Garcia. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. You also received a Meguiar's gift check. Classic Modified. Best in Classic Modified second place goes to Mr. Miguel Cano. Nigel Cano. Sorry. Congratulations. Thank you. First place goes to John Michael Hernandez. First place, Classic Modified. Thank you. The best in contemporary stock goes to Mr. Roldan Libdan. Mr. Roldan Libdan, best in contemporary stock. Mr. Roldan Libdan. Mr. Roldan Libdan. The owner of the Mercedes-Benz, Mr. Roldan Libdan. The best in contemporary modified, second place goes to Mr. Philip Scando. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. First place goes to Mr. Anthony Peñaverde. Contemporary modified first place. Thank you, sir. The best in millennium stock goes to Mr. Gilmark Ruiz. Thank you, sir. Millennium Modified, second place. The Best in Millennium Modified second place goes to Mr. Arnold Yang. Sir. Congratulations. Congratulations. And the winner of Best Millennium Modified first place goes to Mr. Alan Lim. Sir Alan Lim. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Alan Lim. And the award that we've been waiting for, the Best of Show. The Best of Show goes to Mr. Alan Lim. Congratulations. Sir, maraming pong salamat sa mga sumali, sir, ma'am, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming pong salamat. Sa mga nanalo, congratulations. Sana patuloy pa po ang suporta natin sa UP Girls and Opinions. Maraming pong salamat sa mga dumalo. Thank you po.
Saan na may papakain? Ayun o, bata ko.
Major award.